Check this out, a 29 Ford Woody. It's air conditioned. It's a get-in drive type of car. It's cool, it's unique, it's different. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum. You can go to volocars.com. You'll get all the specs and the pricing, photos top to bottom, in and out of this car and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. We have financing, we have shipping. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. I have a whole staff of people that are experienced and knowledgeable with the old cars, and they can answer any of your questions and concerns when you get you your dream car. So visit volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're putting out videos all the time of great cars like this, and that's the best way to see them as we get them. So let's take this for a spin. Hercules is the company that builds this. You can go on their website right now, and it says body kits starting at $32,500. We're asking less than that for this finished car. This is one of the first two they built. The other one was almost identical to this, and it's sold at a Barrett-Jackson auction for $80,000. It's on their website. Same car. So there's a lot of value here in this car, and there's nothing wrong with it. It's actually really well built. So this is real wood, all done up real nice, looks like oak. They use nice piano hinge, very good quality hinges. Just this top opens, I don't think the bottom. Actually it does. Right, get in here. Come back to that. Teardrop tail lights, fiberglass fenders, wood body. This is metal, the hood is all metal. The top is all real nice, it's waterproof, padded, done up real nice. Ford script headlights, original Model A gas cap is up here for looks. Model A bumpers. You can look at the pictures on our website of the engine compartment. It's a Ford motor. It's a 302 engine. Does have a 700 R4 overdrive trans. Again, piano hinges. Listen how nice that closes. It closes like a real car. It's not some rattly, rickety car that you got to ride in. Really nice interior. It's got seat belts for everyone. Nice, comfortable, adjustable bucket seats in front. It's all wood. Overhead is really cool. It's all wood slats, all finished up above. Tinted glass. The windows easily slide right out the top, so you take them out if you wanted the windows out. Let me try this one more time here. It has a little trailer hitch there, and that's because we have a trailer for it that matches this car. There we go. So you got some room there to store some stuff. You got some speakers. So anyway, there's pictures of the trailer on our website. It's painted this color. I think the wheels match. It has wood trim on it. That comes with it. Underneath, it has 4-link suspension front and back. It has disc brakes at all 4 wheels. It's got a nice set of gauges. The original style, like Model A pod with new gauges in there. It's a tilt wheel. It's got a low-car floor shifter. It's got an emergency brake. I'll start it up for you. It's got 9,500 miles on it. I don't know if I mentioned, it is air conditioned too. That sounds real nice. Has a stereo. All you need is a surfboard. Head on down to the beach. Sometimes these cars are real frail and rickety. This one is just a good, solid car. Like I said, it has 9,500 miles on it. It tells you it can be driven. The way the doors shut, how comfortable it is. It has air conditioning, disc brakes. This is a really well-built street rod with a lot of features going for it. So, and it's at a fantastic value. It comes with the trailer. So go to volocars.com before someone beats you to it. Check this one out and the few hundred others that we have for sale. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We keep pushing the videos, and that's the best way to see them first. So thanks for watching.